If you want visible abs, but you're tired of wasting time on workouts that don't work, listen carefully. Abs aren't built with endless crunches. They're built with intensity, control, and the right exercises. I picked the only movements that target your entire core: upper abs, lower abs, and obliques. Do this for 28 days and your waistline will look completely different. Let's get started.
Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are one of the best body weight exercises for building a strong, athletic core while also burning calories. This movement mainly targets the lower abs, upper abs, obliques, hip flexors, shoulders, and even improves cardiovascular endurance. Start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your core tight. Drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs in a running motion while keeping your hips low and body stable. Perform 30 to 45 seconds for 3 to 4 sets with controlled speed. The biggest mistakes are bouncing your hips too high, rushing the movement, and letting your lower back sag. Slow, controlled reps activate the core far better than sloppy fast reps. Focus on breathing steadily and keeping your abs tight throughout the exercise. Reverse crunches are highly effective for targeting the lower abs, which are often difficult to fully engage with regular crunches. Lie flat on your back with your knees bent and feet lifted off the floor. Keep your hands beside you for stability and curl your hips upward toward your chest using your abdominal muscles instead of momentum. Lower your legs slowly to maintain tension on the core. This exercise mainly works the lower rectus abdominis and deep core muscles. Perform 12 to 15 controlled reps for 3 to 4 sets at a controlled pace. Avoid swinging the legs, using momentum, arching the lower back, and lowering the feet too far. The key is controlled movement and squeezing the abs at the top for maximum contraction and better muscle definition. Bicycle crunches are one of the best exercises for training both the abs and obliques at the same time. Lie on your back with your hands lightly behind your head and legs lifted. Bring one knee toward your chest while twisting your torso so the opposite elbow moves toward that knee, then alternate sides in a pedaling motion. This movement targets the upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and deep stabilizing core muscles. Perform 15 to 20 reps per side for 3 to 4 sets at a controlled pace. Avoid pulling your neck forward or rushing through the movement because that reduces core activation and can strain the neck. Another common mistake is keeping the legs too high, which decreases lower ab engagement. Focus on full twists and controlled breathing for maximum effectiveness.
Plank. The plank is a foundational core exercise that builds total abdominal strength, endurance, and stability. Unlike crunch movements, planks train the core to resist movement, which improves posture and overall athletic performance. Begin in a forearm push-up position with your elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your abs, glutes, and legs while holding the position. The plank primarily targets the transversus abdominis, rectus abdominis, obliques, shoulders, and lower back stabilizers. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds for 3 to 4 sets. Common mistakes include letting the hips sag, raising them too high, or holding your breath. Proper form is more important than time. Keep your neck neutral and maintain full body tension throughout the hold to maximize core activation. Leg raises. Leg raises are one of the most effective home exercises for building lower abdominal strength and improving core control. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and hands placed beside or under your hips for support. Raise your legs slowly until they are nearly vertical, then lower them back down without touching the floor. This movement heavily targets the lower abs, hip flexors, and deep core muscles. Perform 10 to 15 slow reps for 3 to 4 sets using a controlled tempo with no swinging. The most common mistakes are arching the lower back, dropping the legs too quickly, or using momentum. To protect your spine and maximize lower ab activation, keep your core tight and lower the legs slowly. Slower reps create more tension and lead to better abdominal development over time. Side plank. The side plank is one of the best bodyweight exercises for strengthening the obliques and improving side core stability. Lie on your side with your elbow directly under your shoulder and stack your feet on top of each other. Lift your hips off the ground so your body forms a straight line from head to feet. Hold this position while keeping your core tight and hips elevated. This exercise mainly targets the obliques, transversus abdominis, glutes, and lower back stabilizers. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds per side for 3 to 4 sets. Common mistakes include letting the hips sag, rotating the shoulders forward, or placing too much pressure on the neck. Maintain steady breathing and keep your body aligned. Controlled holds create stronger side abs and improve overall core balance and stability.
If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content that actually gets results. Consistency beats everything, so stick to these exercises and track your progress. Drop a comment with your favorite shoulder move or what you want next.